Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Are you using Office 365, MS Office 2016, 2019 and any other version on Windows 10? So there is a bad news for you guys. Microsoft has announced, as we all know, that October 14, 2025 Windows 10 support is going to end. But also along with that, Microsoft has announced a bad news for Windows 10 users if they are using the Office 365 and any other apps related to Office like 2016, 2019, 2021. Microsoft did the same with Windows 7 when they end the support on January 2020, and similar with the Windows 8 January 2016, and they have also ended the support of 8.1 Windows the 10th of January 2023. So that is for other Windows versions. I have just checked the Microsoft here and they have written here as well. That means that if you are using the Office and Microsoft 365 apps on your Windows 10, so they are also going to reaches the support of end, and they have written here Microsoft apps will no longer be supported on Windows 10 after it reaches the end of support on October 14, 2025. Microsoft apps are no longer supported on Windows 7, 8, 8.1. These operating systems have reached their end of support dates. To avoid the performance and reliability issues, we recommend that you move to Windows 11. So we can say Microsoft is forcing and recommending to buy a new PC or upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11 if supported hardware you have. If you don't have the supported hardware, so Microsoft is forcing you to upgrade to Windows 11, buy a new PC and use their product like Office 365, MS Office and other services of Microsoft's. I have gone through these documents, and Microsoft has also narrated here as a valuable customer or subscriber of 365. We want to continue to provide a stable productivity experience. Therefore, if you are using the Office Microsoft 365 on computer running Windows 7, 8 or 8.1, we strongly recommend you to move to supported Windows operating system. If you are using Microsoft 365 on computer running Windows 10, we strongly recommended that you upgrade to Windows 11 before Windows 10 support ends. So now the question is, what will happen if you still use Office 365 and other apps like 2016, 19 and other on your Windows 10 after Windows support ends? So Microsoft has written here, using Office 365 on older unsupported operating system may cause performance and reliability issues over the time. And also when I go to this other Office versions here, they have also warned the customers that these are the already unsupported versions of Windows. Those users who will run the Windows 10 or unsupported any Windows on their devices, they will not get the security updates, leaving them vulnerable to security threats after support for Windows 10 ends of October 14, 2025. It will become the vulnerable to security threats as well. So this is a chart. They have also recommend here to upgrade to Windows 11. So these are all the details. If you are using Office 365 retail version, so Windows 7 not supported, Windows 8 not supported, Windows 8.1 not supported, Windows 10 supported, but after this date October 2025, this will be not supported and you have to upgrade to Windows 11 at that point of time. So Microsoft will give you support for those out of supporting operating system, but they have some conditions here. The exceptional to this, if you are using the Office on Windows 7, 8, 8.1, consider Windows 10 as well. We determine your issue is caused or related to one of those out of support operating systems and not an issue with Office. In this case, your problem wouldn't be supported. So now the conclusion of this video, if your hardware is supported for Windows 11, but if your hardware is not supported for Windows 11, so in that case, continue using Windows 10, and once this date is passed, Microsoft will give you the support for security updates and bugs once this date is passed, but you have to pay for that, and amount is not declared yet, but it will be around $30 to $40 for almost 1 years, and the maximum support will be for 3 years. So that is all about for this video, guys. So I hope this video is really helpful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.